Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nubia Red Magic 10A to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first two pop-ups, and wherever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Nubia and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Nubia, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And last but not least, tap on the Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. After your transfer is finished, you need to close an ad. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!